not Jesus, it's just me. What the hell's going on? Oh, yeah, I was working on this program and I think I figured it out. I think I got the formula. So basically, if you merge the projection equation... Wait. What are you doing? Oh, right. Okay, let me just show you. Let me just finish up real quick. Ready? Wait, I don't follow. Is that
It's a donut.
It's incredible, isn't it? So all this just to render a donut on your terminal?